On being good, be good and you will be lonesome. Honor is a harder master than law. Always do right. This will gratify some people and astonish the rest. Do your duty today and repent tomorrow. On human nature, nothing so needs reforming as other people's habits. Character is the architect of achievements. On learning, a full belly is little worth where the mind is starved. On ideas, the man with a new idea is a crank until the idea succeeds. On success, prosperity is the best protector of principle. All good things arrive unto them that wait and don't die in the meantime. On truth, never tell the truth to people who are not worthy of it. An uneasy conscience is a hair in the mouth. When in doubt, tell the truth. If you tell truth, you don't have to remember anything. On fashion, clothes do not merely make the man. Clothes are the man. Advice to kids: always obey your parents when they are present. Always respect your superiors, if you have any. There is no sadder thing than a young pessimist except an old optimist. On money, the lack of money is the root of all evil. On self-awareness, a man cannot be comfortable without his own approval. I was born modest, but it didn't last. Good friends, good books and sleepy conscience, this is the ideal life.